Coronado, good times over here as well. Tim Nye from the Armed Services YMCA. Kathleen, this is always my favorite part, because when we have our military families, you guys, did you know this was happening? Check this out. Ready? Tim, how about you give them the good news?
Well, as you know, we could never do enough for our military families, and it's a San Diego community, and the Armed Services YMCA together we're strengthening the military families. So on behalf of Fox 5, the Manchester Grand Hyatt, and the San Diego Padres, we're going to be doing a one-night stay at the Grand Hyatt, and also a family 5-pack for the kids and the families for the Padres game.
Wow. Kids, did you hear that? You can stay at the hotel and go to the Padres games. What do you think?
Yay, some tickets. Isn't that fantastic? That was Sheila. She was excited about that.
I mean, come on, Kathleen. That's what it's all about.
Oh, it's a wonderful gift, and you guys are so deserving. None of us would be here if it wasn't for your service. I know how tough it is on the home front and what you guys sacrifice for us. So thank you so much for your service. You're most deserving. The Armed Services YMCA, thank you for what you do. The Big Bay Boone benefits what they do. Want to remind you that Zeus, the therapy dog, Camille's best friend, couldn't be with us because, like a lot of pets, the fireworks can really spook the animals. So make sure you check local shelters if your dog went missing tonight or anything like that, because they tend to swell because of the fireworks. So something to think about. And we loved having Zeus here as long as we did.
Now, kids, this is an actual, see, you want to hold this thing and read it? Look, you get to go watch the Padres play at Petco Park. Enjoy, everybody. Or there's another one somewhere. You guys want to say, good night, everybody. Happy 4th of July. When I count to 3, we'll all say it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Good night. Happy 4th of July.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next year.
Happy birthday, America.
Provided by the Hilton San Diego Bayfront. Hey, it's Toyota's Red, White, and Used sales event. Celebrate your independence with $359 a month lease on a versatile new Highlander, or get $1,000 cash back. We make it easy. Toyota, let's go places.
It's Toyota's Red, White, and Used sales event. Celebrate your independence with $1,500 cash back on a new Corolla or Corolla IM with Toyota Safety Sense Standard. We make it easy. Toyota, let's go places.
They endured the Great Depression, courageously fought and won a 6-year global war that threatened our very existence, then helped build the economy back up. But now the men and women of the greatest generation are in their late 80s and 90s, and today it's our mission to help their legacy live on.
I'm Kacey Montoya with the Wings of Freedom Tour. It's kind of like a flying museum for these incredible aircraft that flew during World War II.